So, random thought. I've been thinking about what I want to do with my path in life when it comes to me creating comics and whatnot. And I kind of ask myself, like, do I want to be a part of like the industry? And when I say that, I mean, like, do I want to get accepted by some big company and get this book deal and now start publishing books and having to stick to a deadline that the publishing company or whatever has made, because, you know, of course they have to make sure they print the books and whatnot and get the book file to the distribution company that ships all that stuff. So I start to think, is that what I want? Like, do I really want to break into the industry that way? And it's like, I kind of want more freedom than that. And also, I know that my style and the way I do things and like how I do my art, how I think about art and how I process art in like my brain and translate it from my brain onto paper is kind of different, in the point that I can't really I see what other people can do where they send their portfolios of all the stuff that they've created to try to get onto the different to try to get on board with the different companies so that they start creating the stuff that the company wants and whatnot. And for me, my brain doesn't really work that way. I want to kind of just do what I want to do, create what I want to create in the way that I want to create it. That's fun for me. So I guess it's not more so that I want to try to break into the industry. I think it's like, you know what? I want to make my own path that like tunnels in and through the industry and out the other side, and it's like I just find my own little thing. And that's kind of what I'm currently, the mindset that I'm currently at right now. I mean, I like money, you know, so of course the book deals and getting signed on with companies, it looks like a very appealing goal, because it's like, you know, you want to be able to provide and have the monies to take care of yourself and have food and clothing and shelter and whatnot. But it's like, what if I can also access money while still doing it the way that I enjoy doing it, by creating my own tunnel? So that's kind of what my journey is right now. I have no clue what my future holds, but I do know that I will be happy and I will enjoy the process. There are going to be some sad days, but at the end of the day, my life as a whole, when I am on my sickbed dying or whatever, I will not regret it, because I'm like, I lived my life in the way that was just, that I was happy. I have no regrets because I made decisions that I wanted to make and I did things that I wanted to do. So yeah, I have no clue where I'm going with that, but I'm like, you know what, let me go ahead and record this and say that. And yeah. What are your guys' thoughts? Like, for yourself, are you interested in working with a publishing company? Like, say, if you want to work for Webtoons or Random House, get a book deal with them or whatever other publishing company, are you interested in working with them? How come? Like, also, are you interested in like building your own thing, and how come? I'm very curious to kind of see the reasons why you guys also decide to do what you do and why you have your path the way that you have it. Not to like critique it, because it's, you know, it opens my perspective and I'm very curious. So yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.